Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix GTA 5 is not launching. So the first step what you need to do here, you need to look for your client and then go to library, 5GTA 5, properties, update files, install files, browse. Then here you need to look for play GTA 5, right click, go to properties, compatibility, and then make sure that nothing is selected, run this program compatibility mode 4, and disable full screen optimization should be not selected. Only leave run this program as administrator and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then what you need to do here is to go completely close the game. Should be no task related to GTA 5, and then you need to look for Rockstar games folder here, and what you need to do here is to rename to whatever you like, for example add a few letters whatsoever, and then after you do so just run the game and your problem should be solved. Right, so yeah, that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.